Hey guys, here is the final Crossbow. So I kept the original trigger mechanism with the washers. I had to change the string because it wasn't tight enough, and I put a little paracord foot loop on there, and I ended up burning the stock, give that nice color. And other than that, I didn't really change anything, but here, let's shoot it. So, I think I'm gonna start a second series where I'm gonna make a little bit more refined and a little bit better one. So, right here, close to the bullseye. See you in the next episode. Bye.